friends, today I'm going to show you how I make a really nice cherry walnut muffin. These are fantastic. So we're going to start with 2 cups of flour. And to that flour, I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Got it right here. A 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of baking powder, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. So it's all going to go right in there. And I'm also going to add a 1/2 cup of sugar. I'm going to whisk this up. Give it a good whisk so it's incorporated. Okay, we're going to set that aside. Now to this I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. This is all my wet ingredients. 1 cup of milk, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of oil, or you can use melted butter. And we're going to do a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay. Now, we're going to whisk this together real well. Okay, we got that mixed up. Now we are going to put this into our dry ingredients. And we're just going to start mixing this. This makes a nice muffin. You can use fresh fruit in these. I'm using dry fruit. I'm using dried tart cherries and walnuts. And I just gave them both a rough chop. And that's it. Okay, we got that all mixed in. Now, I have got in here, I've got 1.5 cups of my dried tart cherries chopped up. Some of them are left whole, and I've got about 1 cup of walnuts. So I'm going to fold this in really good. And I also took my cherries and my walnuts and I just tossed them in a little bit of flour, and that way they'll stay suspended in the batter. They won't sink to the bottom of your muffin. So that's what we did, and that turns out wonderful. Okay, I've got my greased muffin pan. Okay, these are going to go into a 425-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes. And you can just insert a toothpick. If it comes out clean, you know they're done. So when these are done, I'll be back. Okay, friends, my muffins are done. I just took them out of the oven. I'm going to set them up here on the counter to cool. And they turned out wonderful. Nice and golden brown, just the way my family loves them. Ooh, they're warm. I'll let them cool there for a few minutes. But look how beautiful those turned out. It's a little on the warm side, but they're golden brown and gorgeous. So there you have it, another very easy recipe for making some cherry walnut muffins. I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching.